So this is my summer kitchen in my Volkswagen California. Got myself a good spot. Now I need to knock up something really quick, really simple. So this is a braised courgette dish, a little bit of garlic, there's a little bit of cream going in there, so it's quite kind of luxurious. Some Parmesan, I'm going to do some little croutons with some goat's cheese, a local goat's cheese right here in Abergavenny, some crisp sage, a little bit of pancetta. Very quick, one pot dish, delicious. So when the oil's hot enough, in with the croutons. So now we're going to blend it, not too much, just a few kind of little beats because you want a lot of texture in it. We need our soft goat's cheese and then spread generously on some of those croutons. So there you go, my simple one pot recipe that anyone can enjoy.